Okay, well, that's all for now. Thanks for joining. And again, we're in rural Bulgaria, just having a good old time. Have a great day. Bye. Okay, so you can see straight ahead over there, that's the gate off the street that comes into our property. And this is the house that we're staying in, living in. And there's the concrete sink just to give you a sense of perspective if you've been watching before. This is the vineyard with the grown-up flower garden in it that I've been playing in. Here's my rugs I've got hanging on the fence. And you go out this metal gate, which is actually securable, and come out into this open area. There's another chain link fence over there. It's kind of hard to tell. This is a big old barn that's actually attached to the main house, and that room goes into kind of like a cellar area. In that room there was a chicken coop. The chickens lived inside, and then this was a big barn where they kept the wood, and it's got a whole nother big old space up there yet to be explored thoroughly. And then the fruit trees are out yonder. There's the corn crib, some more barn. These are like animal stalls. There's also like a vault toilet outhouse in this end space here that the original home would have used, we believe. So this building over here is the original house. And let's go see what he is up to in here. It looks a bit of a wreck, but it's solid. It's very simple, but it's solid. It's not taking on any water. It's got this covered space here where you could, those are two big gate doors that can open up and you can park something in here. I hear him in there. Which room are you in, Rye? This one? Okay. Like I've said before, these houses come with all kinds of possessions. So this one's, there's some more bags of clothes. You've got lots and lots of clothes. I found maybe 20 more big bags of clothes up in the attic today that are actually in really good shape. Oh, so is this what you're going to be playing with over here?
In this room, though.
Okay. Okay, let's see. So what he's excited about is, oh, and it is cool. So these old houses, see how this is built out of big old stones. So they would often cover it up with render kind of stuff. But we've seen some of the ones that have been renovated, and they'll just kind of restabilize all this by putting grout type of stuff in the crevices. So that's what he's going to play with today is some of the material that he bought in town. It's called Terraflex, and it's a compound that you mix and you clean out the spaces and do that. So he's going to play in here. Yeah, so you can see this house could really use a lot, but I can envision with the ceiling out and these walls cleared off, and this is a solid mud floor. It actually has great potential, and the windows look out onto the main street here, and it's got a big old sink in the corner. That's an old wood bed. It's kind of fun. It's definitely kind of fun. This looks like fun to anybody else. Let us know if you want to come in and play. We don't have to do anything. I think that's part of what makes it neat. It's just we can if we want to. Come back in here for a minute. I think that this old couch could be kind of nice. Yep, there's an up close of that wall. And all your funny little weird, all kinds of weird old things. Oh, look at that big old tank. Big old gas tank of some kind. Ryan's been saving all his plastic bottles. Don't know what kind of project he might take on with those. Oh, here's some neat old window panes too. I hadn't seen those either. I've probably seen them. It just didn't quite process it. There's so many thises and that's. Here's an old wood burning stove that we might clean up and use again. Old wooden box. This refrigerator was the second refrigerator in the kitchen, and I took it out because I don't need two refrigerators. I don't want to use that much electricity. And maybe we can use it in here someday. We just hung on to it, and we'll see. And here's the third little vineyard. We've got several vineyards going. I believe they're probably mostly wine grapes as opposed to what they call dessert grapes. But we'll find out. Hi, friends. So if you've been following along, some of you know that we actually have two houses on this piece of property that we purchased in Bulgaria. There's the one that we've been living on the bottom floor of, and kind of like a studio setup of a couple of rooms. And I've been clearing out the upstairs, and I did a couple videos about that, and that's a work in progress. But the second house is the older house, it's the original house. The son of the widow that passed away here estimates it to be about 200 years old. And Ryan's going to be starting a project over there. So I thought I'd run a little bit of video and go catch the before. So we'll have something to see when the after comes along. Okay, here we go.